What's so funny?
You're funny.
What the?
I'll f the shit out of you.
Okay. That's weird.
You're f***ing weird. You don't see like you trying to cosplay right now.
I am cosplaying. Do you know who I'm cosplaying as?
No.
I'm a Marvel character.
Are you?
She has white hair and lightning. She flies around.
White hair and lightning. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm the transgender storm, mistress of the elements, rider of the wind.
Wow.
You gotta.
I'm an X-Man.
So how do you have that voice?
That's her superpower. She scares away the villains.
Yes.
I tell them I'm an X-Man and they run.
So how do you have that voice?
Cause she was really a nigga and then she became trans.